First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:44 this morning, and a cold front made it to Texas, but it's not going to make it here. It actually stalled out overnight, and you can see the subtle difference in temperature. Now, you will notice that, particularly in Abilene, Midland, it seems significantly cooler. That's because there's been quite a bit of rain falling in that area. Where the rain hasn't been falling, but technically the front has moved through, 74 in Austin, 72 in Longview, 74 in Dallas, so not that big of a cold front. That's why it's stalled out. And actually, later today, it's expected to lift back to the north as a warm front. So the little cool down that they are seeing in North Texas is not going to last. And meanwhile, the heat continues for South Texas. Let's track our high temperatures for the rest of the work week. Notice this is this afternoon. These are forecasted high temperatures. 99 here in the valley, 102. At least we're not the hottest spot in Del Rio. But keep in mind, the reason why we're actually a little bit cooler, our humidity is going to be worse in Del Rio. So we're basically going to feel probably like the mid 100s, honestly, and they'll feel a little bit hotter too. So we're basically going to feel the same. Notice how the front will already be lifting back to the north as a warm front, and there's actually going to be days of rain again in the southeast where the front is going to remain stalled out, it looks like, but it should slowly move to the north. Let's jump ahead to tomorrow afternoon. I actually think it'll be a little bit warmer. I think we'll be right around 100 degrees, the low 100s in the upper valley, and notice how those temperatures are going up too for the central part of the state. Let's jump ahead now. This is Wednesday afternoon, basically the same. We're going to be around 100 degrees once again, and notice how those temperatures continue to climb in the northern part of the state. Dallas, relatively cool at 95. All right, Thursday, yeah, pretty much. We might be about a degree cooler, I think, on Thursday. Not a lot of change, but what we are seeing on Friday, if we jump ahead to Friday, notice that we're not seeing temperatures that are as bad. You're not seeing as many triple digits, including here. Notice the high of 97. That is an indication that the ridge, which is in the upper levels of the atmosphere, is weakening a little bit, which means slightly cooler temperatures, and yes, more cloud cover, and yes, ultimately a chance of rain as well. We have to get that ridge to weaken, and as it does, we'll cool down a little bit, we'll get more clouds, and then we'll finally have at least some small rain chances. But in the short term, more of the same. 99 our high today. Though we'll start out with partly to mostly cloudy skies, eventually skies will become sunny. The heat index around 104 today, and a typical breeze for this time of year, about 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. I still think there's going to be a light breeze overnight, but the winds will die down. 5 to 10 miles per hour. Clear skies during the evening, becoming partly cloudy late. We're looking at lows around 77. And in the short term, you're not really going to notice much of a difference. I think there's going to be a little bit more of a breeze for Tuesday and Wednesday, but still mostly sunny skies, still hot, still feeling like the mid 100s. 99 on Thursday, still in record territory, by the way. We're still going to be monitoring those record highs. By the time we get to Friday, though, I think we get out of record territory. We are still above normal for this time of year, but we're a little bit cooler, and those are our rain chances. Friday and Saturday, a 10% chance both days. At least there's a chance of rain and a few more clouds.